So over here, you can see that I have this SketchUp project, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and import out another SketchUp project on top of the same file. In that case, you can go around over here onto file and then simply go around over here onto import. And here, what you can simply do is, let's say, for example, go around over here and I can go ahead and select the SketchUp project, click on import, and then what happens is that the SketchUp project right here imports out just like this, as you can see, on top of the existing project right here, just like this. Apart from that, what you can also do is you can go ahead and open up a SketchUp project. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and open this up right here, just like this. And I'm not going to save any changes to this. So what I can do is I can simply go ahead and select out the objects that I want to import. I can go ahead and copy this. So I'm just going to go around over here, go to edit and copy, or you can press Ctrl+C on your keyboard as well. And once you do that, you can go around over here onto, let's say, for example, your other project and press Ctrl+V right here. And then you can see that the parts that you copied out simply goes ahead and then gets imported out just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and import out other SketchUp projects as you like, as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.